So, I am going to talk about how to bring in more money. Because I am going to give you a magical tool that has helped me so much. And I am taking that tool from my baby, Ask and It Is Given. I love this book so much. I've been reading this book for at least 7 to 8 years now. I go back to this book because it has not only the foundational pieces of how to manifest things into your existence, but it also has real life practices that you can do in order to raise your vibration or your frequencies to attract whatever it is that you want. Throughout my journey of healing my relationship with money and abundance, I have come across so many videos or articles where people are just like aligned with the vibrational match of money. And I didn't really know what that meant, honestly. I was very confused on how I would even go about doing that and the practices that I would be able to partake in to change my reality or even just my subconscious beliefs and to really heal that relationship that I have with money. However, this book here gives us an incredible tool that I am going to dive deep into today. So here it is. An Ask and It Is Given. There is a process, and it is process number 15. And if you have the edition that I have, it is on page 245. It's called the wallet process. So I'll just break it down for you in the way that I understood it and implemented it into my life. A lot of the times people are focused on the lack of money and the shortage of money versus the abundance that is around them already. So one thing that you can immediately go into practicing is gratitude, being grateful for the things that you already have and all of the abundance that is currently around you is going to just naturally raise your vibration. Also remember that we are not supposed to be perfect. Life is a healing journey. Understand that there are still going to be thoughts that come in, and it's not about having all positive thoughts or having nothing but thoughts that are full of abundance, but it is really about knowing how to balance it out when you do have these negative thoughts that come in or these thoughts that are kind of centered around the lack that you have versus the abundance that you have. What you want to do is grab a $100 bill and put it in your purse or in your wallet. And the reason why I say $100 is because typically there's a lot that you would be able to get with $100 when you're just walking around, things that are more attainable. Then what you will do is just enjoy your life. And as you are assessing the things around you, remember that you have that $100 in your pocket and that you are able to spend it on anything that you want. And say, I could buy that with my $100, or I could get this meal if I wanted to, or maybe I could get this new perfume. If you wanted to go online and do some online shopping and just kind of racking up your carts for whatever that $100 could be that's in your pocket, and remaining in that gratitude of saying, I could have all of these things because I had this $100 that's right here in my pocket. And what that does is it automatically raises your vibration to where you are not just bringing in $100, but you are bringing in $100 times however many objects that you are looking that you could buy with that $100. The key to all of this is not that you have to be abundant to attract abundance, is that you have to feel the abundance. This wallet process is allowing for you to deliberately put energy towards the desire that you are finding more favorable. That means that if you are really looking to become a match with the vibration of money, you are putting more energy towards that versus the shortage. Where our focus goes, that's where energy tends to flow. So if we are focusing on us being so abundant to where we could literally buy whatever we want with this $100, what's happening is that we are now attracting every single thing. It's not just that $100 that we are bringing in. It's actually now we are bringing in the abundance of having the perfumes or the candles or the lotions or the dinner or this sort of experience or maybe a massage, whatever it is that you want to bring in. You can literally adjust your vibrational frequencies and match it with that of having money. And then that $100 is going to become $1,000 and then $100,000 and so on and so on. This wallet process is allowing us to give our attention to what makes us feel good, which means that we are just going to attract more good. Y'all, we are so incredibly powerful, and I hope that this magical tool is going to help you the way that it has helped me throughout my journey. If you have any other ideas or suggestions on how you have been attracting and healing your relationship with money, please leave them down in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to y'all very, very soon. And don't forget to spread love. I love each and every one of you. And I am so happy that we are on this journey together.
Some days I wish I